In this video, we will learn how to freeze multiple rows or column in Excel sheet. This is my Excel sheet. I maintain here some data. I want to freeze the heading of this data. I just highlight this heading first. Okay. Then I want to freeze. Just select the row. Then click on the View tab. Click on the Freeze Pins. Click on the Freeze Pins. Okay. Now you can see here the row is freeze. Heading is freeze. Now if you want to column freeze, then select the column, click on the View tab, click on the Freeze Pens, click on the Freeze First Column. Now you can see here column is freeze. Okay. If you want to both row and column both freeze, so first you have to unfreeze all the freeze. Then I want to freeze this row and this column. Okay. Therefore, I'm select this cell. Okay, this row and this column. I select this cell and freeze it. Just View tab, click on the Freeze tab and Freeze Pens. You can see here when you drag it, the row is freeze, and if you here drag it, the column is freeze. There is a both way you can freeze your Excel sheet with row or column. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.